Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I have already opened up the box and tried some of the products out. So I do have a few thoughts on some of them. Haven't tried them all yet, but I'm really excited about this box. So April's box I wasn't really happy with and I ended up canceling, but then I missed it. So like I signed up, so I canceled it, but then I still got May's box. So it's like I never canceled it, but I did. It's like a weird thing, but come to realize I'm kind of obsessed with getting a little surprise in the mail, even though I kind of know what's in it for the most part because I have the spoilers and the follow them and the spoilers pages, so whatever. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the video. This is Boxycharm Make Waves. The card is a little bent, but it's cute. So I got 5 products this month, so I'll be reading off that. The first thing, very exciting, because this brand is like so big, but I have never really tried anything from them. This is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, blended with oat amino acids. Condition, deep cleanse, face makeup removal. Ooh, I might have to try that in a minute and take my makeup off. So this is it. Super cute packaging. I love that this packaging is also on the tube. This is 5 ounces, so it's a really good size for a cleanser, I think. Let's see what this card says. Gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free. All skin types approved. Retail value $28. So I'm super excited to try this. I think this is really exciting, and I'll definitely excited to try it as a makeup remover, so we will have to see how that goes. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna go in the order from this card because that just makes it easier for me. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio in the medium tan color variation, and I really like this. I love their packaging. That other palette that we got, the Caribe del something, I want to love that so much, but those colors intimidate me just a little bit, so I haven't really used it. That's kind of bad, but I love their packaging. It's just so cute. I love the little gold droplets, and I love the font. I'm definitely a nerd and love different fonts, so like sometimes I buy things just because I like the font. Don't judge me. So this is it right here. I have been wearing this for the past 2 days, and I've really just mixed all of the colors together. So you have Seclusion, which is like a very light, like tangerine color. Isla, which is more of a coral, and Toasted, which is more of like a pinky color, rosy color. So I'll swatch this for you. And it does have a mirror on it. So here are the 3 colors. And I'll do this, I guess. So here are those. That's the orangey color. And then, so the way I read it. So there's that. So I've been just mixing them together. Really like them so far. Seem like it's a really good palette. So I'm excited to have gotten that. Says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Retail value $22. Super excited about that. Okay, on to the next product. Ooh, super excited about this. I love this so much. This is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid, I think. Is that what it says? Oh, that annoys me. I can't, it's not on the package, but on here it's Cupid. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. Retail value $22. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I have it on my eyes today. So what I've been doing, I initially started and just put it on my eye, but and then like blended it out, but I find it easier if I take it out of here and then just, I know this is sort of unsanitary, but I'm gonna use it, just me, so it's fine. But I'll just take this and then just dab my finger on here and apply it on my eye, and that seems to work a little bit better, but doing the way, if you just put it on there, it works too. But this is so pretty. It's definitely more gold, but it has that like purpley shift to it. Oh, I just love it so much. Like, it looks really good, and it does not crease on my eye. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I've been wearing it the past 2 days and I can't get enough. I keep wearing, I want to change my eyeshadow palette, but I just keep wearing the same eyeshadow look so I can put this on it, because it just looks so good and summery. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So excited about this. Wow, I would have never thought I would have liked it that much. So yeah. Okay, next product. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. I was super excited to get this. I wanted this variation of the different lipsticks, but I did not want this color. I wanted Stone, or one of the neutral ones, but did I get that? No, I never get the lipstick that I want, ever, rarely. So this is the Liquid Matte Lipsticks, like I said. Your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, and its retail value is $18. I will swatch it, even though I knew that it wasn't gonna work. So this is Talk is Chic. The packaging on these are really cute. And this color is just a touch too like fuchsia for me. If it was just a little bit lighter, it would be good, but it's just, it makes me look like a clown. So there's that. Kind of disappointing. I really wish I would have gotten Stone or one of the neutral ones, but so I'm not going to be keeping this just because I know I'm not going to wear that color. So that was sort of a fail. And so I was really excited about those other 3 products, and then this one I'm just like because I don't do my eyebrows. So this is the brand Mellow. Never heard of that before. This is the brow definer. This non-greasy, easy glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip makes for easy hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. Retail value $18. And this is in the color Taupe, I think. Yeah, Taupe. I haven't even opened it. I don't think I'm going to. I don't do my brows. I don't really want to start. I like how they look. It's fine. So yeah, this was sort of a fail product, but it's fine. I'm not going to always like every product in the box. I understand that. If I normally like 2 to 3 out of the box, I'm normally pretty pleased with that. So I am going to get my phone and calculate up the total amount. So you pay $21 a month, and so the retail value of all of that added up together is $108. So I think that's really good. And even if you just add up what I liked and I'm excited about, that's $72. So that's still a lot from what I pay each month. That was $72 instead of the $21. So yeah, super excited about this box. Definitely excited about this Glam Glow cleanser. Can't wait to try it. The Alamar blush palette and that cream eyeshadow from Ciate, hands down. You all need to go buy this. I don't know where you buy Ciate at. Maybe Ulta, maybe Sephora. I don't know, but you need to go buy this because it's really amazing. Like, wow, look at that. I cannot stop looking at it. So pretty. Okay, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you get Boxycharm, tell me what box you got and what did you get in yours. Are you excited? Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.